Welcome. If you've ever joined a WhatsApp community and wondered who else is part of it, this quick guide will show you exactly how to view all the members step by step. The process is super simple, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to access the full list of community participants in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to your account and that the app is updated to the latest version, since some older versions might not show the communities feature properly. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Communities tab. It's usually located right next to the Chats and Updates tabs. This section is where all your WhatsApp communities are listed. Now, find and select the community you want to check. You'll see all the groups that belong to that community collected in one place along with a short description or title. Once you're in the community view, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. A small menu will appear. From here, tap on Community Info. This is where WhatsApp keeps all the key details about that community. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Community Members. This area shows a preview of a few members right away. To view everyone inside the community, simply tap View All. And that's it. You'll now see the full list of people who are part of that community. Depending on the community's privacy settings, you may notice that members' phone numbers or names are visible. So it's best to respect everyone's privacy and use the information responsibly. This quick method works the same way on both Android and iPhones, so no matter what device you're using, these steps will guide you to the community members list without any hassle. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with friends or other community admins who might want to see who's part of their WhatsApp group network. Thanks for watching.